Hey everyone, settings icon missing from iPhone home screen, guys. So you can see over here. So there is no settings icon available. Earlier it was here at this place. So accidentally it got deleted. So how to get it back on iPhone home screen, guys? I mean, how to fix. So for that, just go to search, just tap on search and just try to type settings, and you can see here, just tap on it and just try to find general, tap on it and just slide down, and you can see over here transfer your reset iPhone. Just tap on it and just again tap on reset. You can see over here, just tap on it, and now guys, you have to select reset home screen layout. These settings you have to just select, just tap on it, and now you just select reset home screen. As you can see, it's displaying in the red color. Just tap on it, and guys, here you go, you can see the settings icon. Now I get it back on my own iPhone home screen, guys. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.